In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password protected page on Weebly. If you're looking to restrict access to certain information on your website and want to ensure that only those who know the password can view it, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process, keeping things simple and straightforward so you can follow along easily. First, let's start by heading over to Weebly's website. Once you're there, you need to log in using your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure to set one up before we dive deeper. After logging in, you should click on the login button to access your account dashboard. Now, once you are on your dashboard, you'll see an overview of your site. What you'll want to do next is click on the website option. This will take you to a more detailed view of your website where you can make the necessary edits. Now you want to look for the edit site option and click on it. This is where the magic happens and where you can make modifications to your site, including setting up your password protected pages. Once you're in the site editor, your next step is to click on settings. As you navigate through the settings, you'll need to scroll down until you spot the site password option. Here you can add a password that users must enter to access the protected parts of your site. After entering your desired password, make sure to click save. This ensures that all your changes are updated and secure. With the password protection activated, it's time to determine which specific page you want to protect. For this, navigate to the pages section. Choose the particular page you want to keep under wraps. Once selected, focus on the visibility settings for that page. Initially, it might be set to public. What you need to do is change this setting by clicking on public and then selecting site password from the options. This step is crucial to ensure the specific page is password protected. Finally, after you've made these changes, the last step is to click on publish to update your site with these new settings. Once published, anyone who tries to access the page will be prompted to enter the password you set earlier. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that only those with the password can view certain pages on your Weebly site. It's a simple yet effective way to control access to your content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions. See you next time.